Hey guys, so I woke up this morning and there was, I went into the bathroom and there was all dry blood all over my mouth. I went back to the bedroom and looked on my pillow. There was all dry blood on the pillow. So I took my hand and I went like this and I coughed, and this blood clot or whatever it is came out of my mouth. So right now we're heading to go feed where I'm pet sitting right now, and then we're going to go back to the flippin' hospital. So once I find out anything, I will let you know. So please keep me in your thoughts and prayers. I'd really appreciate it. I'm really scared. All right. Have a great Sunday.